Hello everybody, happy Wellness Wednesday. Chef Tiffany here, checking in with you because today I have a special treat for you. Dr. Aris Latham is going to be showing us how to cut aloe. He's going to be teaching us about some of the benefits of aloe and in eating and drinking bitter foods in general. We're going to take a nice bitter aloe shot together and you'll get to see the group's reaction to that. We are at the Sunfired Institute in Panama, there on the Caribbean coast.
Right at the bottom, you get the first one from the bottom. So you just, under your tongue, how you have that, membrane there. So that's it with these. The same thing, you just hit that membrane and you slide it. Oh, this one didn't happen, right? Here. So right here. I nip this right here. And this is how you do it. Yeah, so you really want to get the very bottom one, otherwise it nips right there. So the next one down the bottom. So 3, 4, 5. Yeah, see, that's how you want it. 6. 7. Okay, so we're gonna wash this and peel it. There's a sister in Jamaica that has a big aloe vera farm, and she makes aloe vera root juice. So you get this aloe vera like this. You see that coming out, that yellow? That's what you want. But so she would open this up and she would stick, like all of these roots into a vessel and let this drain out completely. Aloe vera root juice. It would take a week to 30 days. And you never taste no bitter before. It's the bitter. And that's the power of aloe vera. Bitters are the best cleansing foods in the world. The bitter, the better. So watercress is like the big one. Watercress grow at the head of a spring, naturally, normally. Where that spring comes out for the first time, all around it is full of watercress. It filters the water. It's the best filtration system. So whatever it does with the impurities that it filters out, it turns it into an organic form. And when you eat that watercress and that bitterness, it'll clean you out the best. And this is like the bitter, But, it's time and patience, and it will all drip out just like that, But anyway, we're going to juice it. Both sides. The 3 mixed. You cut them in pieces to fit through the juice extractor. Want to go all the way here in the toe? This is it. You're gonna your hair, your face, everywhere, your whole entire body. Just make it in the sun and just rinse yourself with aloe. So you do this once a month, you're gonna have that nice, smooth, soft, velvet skin. Interesting, aloe is the best thing for curling the hair. You look at all the Jerry curl forms, every single one of them. Before I left, this is what I did. I would be at like Miami Beach, got my aloe, just drench my hair in aloe, and just finger comb my hair. And it's like every strand is a spiral. Every strand is like a little curl. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers to the Aloe line. Cheers, my brother. Cheers. Cheers to Aloe. Folks see us, they be like, yeah, that's a call. That's a call. What they doing?
Why are y'all staring at each other now? Alright, let's go.
Oh, and this is a nice tasting apple. This is nice. Excellent. Excellent.
Yep.
No, I got better.
Well, I've had worse, that's true.
Taste of that.
Oh! Sound. The aftertaste. Creeped up on me. That's what you sipped it. For the pineapple. You sipped it. No, you sipped it. That's what, yeah. And that's it, you sit in your mouth.
Exactly.
I did.
You gotta let it hit the back of the throat.
Oh, you sipped it?
Yeah.
No, don't sip it. You gotta sit in my mouth. Let it sit in my mouth.
She was swishing it around in the mouth. You mixed it with some other enzyme in your system. Yeah.
Well, that concludes today's lesson on aloe. If you want to get in touch with me, please don't hesitate. www.wholisticchefs.com. I'd be happy to help you along in your journey. And until next time, happy Wellness Wednesday. Bye.